I'm John Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, before we get started, I always have shared before, is make sure you have your big pencils, or any pencil for that matter, and some paper. If you have those 2 things, I think we're ready to take a look at my video lessons. All right, let's begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final 3rd step. Hey, now that was a fun lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. I had a great time sharing it with you. Now, what I want you to really pay attention to are the steps. As you've noticed, from the first step to the second to the third, they develop getting a little bit more involved and more involved. Well, that's something I want you to always to practice with, and make sure you spend that time daily practicing drawing, because you're going to get a lot better every day you do it. So, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I want to really say thank you to all those who have. Thanks, buds. 2 big thumbs up. All right. As always, thanks for watching this video, and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.